In this video, we're going to show you how you can stop Spotify for playing random songs that aren't in your playlist. If this video does help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Let's start by checking your shuffle settings. Play any song from your playlist and then tap the player bar at the bottom of the screen to open up that page. At the bottom left corner, you're going to see a shuffle icon. If it says something like Smart Shuffle, that's likely the issue. Spotify pretty much adds similar tracks that aren't part of your playlist. Simply tap that button once to turn Smart Shuffle off, and if needed, you can tap it again to enable the normal shuffle. If that didn't fix it, here's another setting to check. Go ahead and tap on the home button in the bottom left, and then tap your profile in the top left. Go to Settings and Privacy, and then scroll down till you find the playback option. Look for the option that says autoplay similar content and go ahead and switch it off just like so. This is going to stop Spotify from automatically playing related songs after your playlist ends. But that's it. These two settings should stop Spotify from queuing up random tracks. Let us know down in the comments if this worked for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe for even more quick fixes just like this. Have a great day.